Okay, so guys, in today's video, oops, oh, I need to bring the camera a little closer. So guys, in today's video, I wanna see if I can solve Rubik's cubes. I can't really. So no, I meant that thing. So guys, in today's video, I want to show you this transforming origami. So guys, look. At first, this is just something boring, but no. Look, just watch carefully. Now for the other side. Oops. Wow, this is so cool. So look, this is all thanks to my friend, but just look at this. It can transform. Yep. But guys, I want to also show you my 3x3 Rubik's Cube, next Rubik's Cube. I got this for my birthday and it turns not terrible. It turns okay. So guys, you may think this is so low Rubik's Cube, but guess what I can do? Is that even impossible? That's possible. It's not impossible to do this. So guys, if you turn this fast, that's possible. So that means it's not impossible, it's easy, medium, or hard. So let's do this 3 more times. 1, 2, 3. So guys, how long can I do this trick when I turn fast? 1, 2, oop. 4 seconds is bad. I need to try and get 2 seconds. 1, 2, 3. So I can do that 3 seconds. So 3 times 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 9. So guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and guys, thanks for watching. Bye bye.